Get the best roof restoration solutions in Hamilton, New Zealand. Your roof is subjected to strenuous circumstances on a daily basis, which eventually leads to a roof replacement or repair. If you're dealing with roof storm damage or long-term wear and tear, the team at Roof Painting Pros Hamilton can help. Roof Painting Pros Hamilton, a professional roofing company in Hamilton, Waikato, launched an updated range of roof restoration solutions. The company can help you with all of your residential, commercial, and industrial roof restoration needs. Go to the link in description for more info.